Hey y'all, happy Labor Day. It's Monday. This is the extent of what we got done on Sunday. We got the RVS back on, motor mounts on, bolted up, chain on. We had to realign the gear because it's in a little different position than the RVXX. Shifting's on, everything working. We got the right spread up here at the handle. We'll probably obviously have to adjust the trigger for the power shifter. But everything else is okay. We got pump, fuel system all good. Everything's good there. We're gonna have to adjust this mount for the pipe. We had to adjust it to make the pipe for the RVXX fit. So we're gonna have to adjust it back. It's just a little tweaking, actually. We just got to kind of bend it a little bit. This whole apparatus, you say we twisted it. It's got to be straightened out a little bit. We're going to see if we can just move it back and forth on the chassis, maybe, so we don't have to get into breaking anything and having to re-weld anything. But that's it. As you can see, radiator not on yet, so that's next. As soon as we get the pipe fit, we're going to fit the pipe up and make sure we got the pipe and everything back here is done. We lengthened some hose, changed some things, got it all tidied up. So at this point, everything here is done. We just got to get pipe mounted up and all that stuff. We got to call CKS in the morning and have them ship us out a exhaust probe. Another $40, man. It's ridiculous how dainty those things are, man. It was broke when I brought the cart in. When I went to unplug the probe and take the pipe off, it was already busted. So, note to self: mount the exhaust probe down on an angle, because when you mount it straight up and down, when you cover the go-kart with a heavy cover, it bends the thing. I don't know what happened, but it is what it is. It's racing, right? We're gonna have to spend money. So that's it. We'll bring you some more. When we got something to show you up front. That's really where the next bit of work is gonna take place. So I don't see any issue at this point holding us up from making it to Gingerman next weekend. We won't be taking the trailer. We'll just throw the go-kart in the truck. We'll throw some fuel jugs in there, starter. Back seat of the truck. We'll throw the pop-up in there. Whatever we need to get through a day up there. We ain't gonna spend the whole weekend. We're just gonna go and test the radiator, right? We're going up there to run 40 minutes of unlimited racing action. So that's it. We will bring you some more with the radiator and all that very shortly.